Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and this is the video you have been waiting for. We are going to unbox and give you our first impressions of the OnePlus 6. So let's go ahead and unbox the device. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. Alright, so that's the OnePlus box in front of us. It's like usual, dressed in white and red. And OnePlus has finally taken the wraps off its much awaited and talked about flagship smartphone OnePlus 6. It was launched at an event in London, and OnePlus comes with high-end specifications and revamped design. So it's already on sale in India on Amazon, and you can pick it up for $34,999 as its starting price. Available in two variations. The other one is slightly higher, but less than 40,000 rupees. So let's go ahead and unbox the device. And there we are. That's the new OnePlus 6. So it has a 6.28 FHD screen. Let's see what else is there inside the box. That's the smartphone. Dual camera setup. Here. Inside you also get a case, of course the SIM tray ejector, and couple of manuals. Yeah, and couple of stickers as well. Alright, so there is the dash charger inside as well, and the USB cable. Yes, this is the Type-C, like the one found on OnePlus 5T as well. So right, so those are the contents of the box. You do get a neat little cover for the smartphone, so you don't have to run and get a cover as soon as you buy the device. So as far as the form factor of the device is concerned, you get the volume rocker on the left side, and you do get the power button on the right side with the profiling key on top of it. Also you get a front facing camera, and nothing's on top. The bottom part of the phone has the 3.5mm jack, the USB Type-C charging port, and the speaker grill. Alright, so let's turn on this bad boy. And there you go. That's the OnePlus 6. So this is the 8GB plus 128GB memory OnePlus 6. OnePlus 6 does come with the notch design that you see on the iPhone as well. It's right up there, and it hides your speaker grill and a small little camera sensor. So the interface is quite smooth, it's not laggy at all. And you can see that we already have an update available on the screen as soon as you turn it on. Alright, so let's dive deeper into the specifications of this smartphone. It is powered by a QUALCOMM SNAPDRAGON 845 and runs 8.1 Android Oreo out of the box. Of course, it has its own skin on top of it, the Oxygen OS 5.1. So in terms of the cameras, the front one is powered by a 16 megapixel sensor, the rear two are powered by a 20 and a 16. Underneath that you have a dual tone LED flash, and just below that there is the fingerprint sensor with the OnePlus logo right under that. Right, so first impressions of the smartphone, it is slick, it is smooth, it is nice to hold, it's not too heavy. everything seems to be in place, and one can easily swipe up, left, right with one finger. It's not too big or chunky. The curved design does work for us, but then the edges are slightly sharp. I mean, it's not the smoothest like you find on the Samsungs or the iPhones, but yeah, it does work. In this price bracket, this seems to be one of the good buys. But once we review the device a little further, we will get to know how the phone is. Alright, so that is the OnePlus 6 unboxing and first impressions. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and keep on watching gadgets now.